Spring is in the air, folks, and we got a nice one for you here. Check it out. 2015 Chevrolet Impala LT3 pack. And it's loaded. It's got the 20s on it. It's got the sport wing. It's got the V6. Got the panoramic roof. It's got the suede insert seats. Backup cam, premium sound, streaming audio, XM satellite radio, heated seats, post crash, lane descent, blind spot monitor, panoramic roof, got the wood grain, leather wrapped wheel, super nice Impala. Extremely well maintained. Got a lot of dealer service records, guaranteed credit approval, perfect Carfax. Starting downs on these Impalas with troubled credit could be as low as $17.95. This is a 2015. And she's got all the glitz and all the glamour. 3-month, 4,500-mile service contracts included. Guaranteed credit approval. 5-star reviews. DasCleveland.com.